Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to get Ublock Origin on Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser on your computer. Go to the top of the screen and click on the address bar. Type in Chrome Web Store and press enter. The Chrome Web Store is the official place where you can find and install extensions that work with your Chrome browser. Wait a few seconds for the page to load completely. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you will see a search bar on the top of the screen. Click inside that search bar and type the words Ublock Origin Lite. This version is lightweight and works well with the newer versions of Chrome. After typing the name, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will now show you a list of results related to your search. Look for the extension called Ublock Origin Lite in the search results. Now look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it once. A small pop-up will appear at the top of your screen asking for confirmation to add the extension. Click on Add Extension. Chrome will now download and install Ublock Origin Lite automatically. The process usually takes only a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After installation, you will see the Ublock Origin Lite icon appear at the top right corner of your Chrome browser, near the address bar. That means the extension has been added successfully. You can click on this icon to turn the ad blocker on or off for different websites. Thanks for watching.